A huge week in the stock market is ahead, and here is our plan. Here are our portfolio plans. We still have some cash from our deposit last week on the sidelines. We will look at finishing our investment into VTI this week. Everything else we will keep fairly stable as we go into a pretty big week as far as events go. We are still keeping an eye on our CFD positions as we look to change those out for the underlying assets as the opportunities present themselves. Here are the big events this week. The big event this week is the Fed meeting taking place on the 31st and the 1st, that is the Tuesday and Wednesday. It is expected that the Fed will raise rates 25 basis points rather than the initial 50 basis points that were expected before more data was released on inflation. The big thing myself and other investors will be watching will be their guidance that they give for the coming months and year. Their outlook will be key to the decisions that investors make. It is a big week for the earnings season this week. Over $5 trillion in company value is being reported on, with giants like Apple, Amazon, Alphabet and many others reporting this week. We close out the week with the jobs numbers for December being released on Friday. This will give us some information on where wage inflation sits and the pressure it is having on the overall inflation number. If you want to start investing with me on eToro, use the link below to get a free $50 when you deposit and invest your first $100. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on future stock market and portfolio updates. If you have any questions or thoughts, please feel free to comment below or send me a message.